India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
तिजे अंडर कलंगूट, कांदोलीम, म्हापसा, पेंजीम, तालिगांव, बांबोलीम ही सगळे एरिया ती पूर्णपणे इंडिपेंडंट आमी तिका दितले. तिका जाय तशी ती आपल्या आमचे सगळे स्टेकहोल्डरांक घेऊन ती फुडें व्हरपाचो तिचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. पण त्याच बरोबर कदंबा प्लॅटो जो आहा तेका आमी सॅटेलायट टाउनशीप म्हणून आमी डेव्हलप करतले. ते फुडाऱ्याक पयले आमचे सगळे रूल्स रेग्युलेशन फ्रेम जाल्या उपरांत आनी मुख्य म्हणजे कितें आहा की आमकां हे सगळे गोष्टी आमी ते पार्रा आनी कितें ते पार्रा जाय त्यो कोर्ट केसीस आहा हे जे 60 दिसाचो पिरियड जो कंप्लीट जाल्या उपरांत आमी ती एरिया आमी वी आर रिमुव्हिंग इट आउट ऑफ द एनजीपीडीए. जे कोणाकडे उलोवंक जाय तेंचे कडेन हांवें ऑलरेडी काल आनी आयज सकाळी बी उलयल्लें आसा आनी आमची सगळ्यांची सहमती जावन आमी हे निर्णय घेतलेले आसा. म्हणजे इवन तुमकां जर दिसता की कोणाक कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवन तशें काय तुमच्या मनान घेवं नाका. कोणाक प्रत्येक स्टेक होल्डर आमचे पेंजीमचे एमएलए आहा श्री बाबूश मनसरात आहा, आमचे आनी खंय लिडर आहा तेंचे कडेन चर्चा करून आमी ह्यो सगळ्यो गोष्टी आमी मार्गार आमी लावपाचें ठरयलें. बट आय कॅन ओनली से दॅट आउट ऑफ द 6,000 and odd cases which are there are 1,222 cases which are provisionally approved. Those only will remain because the matter is sub judice. But the other 5,000 and odd cases will be discarded. They will not be considered by the board at all. So they will be thrown out and they people based on the court decision, and since the matter is sub judice, then at a later stage we can decide what to do. There are 1,222 cases which have got provisional approval and 253 cases I think which have got final approval but is not notified. So basically we have to wait for the court judgment, we have to wait for the judiciary to take a call on this particular issue. We are trying to put forth our point of view. But as far as the zoning plans for the state are concerned, which was passed in the assembly, we will take all the stakeholders and we will open up certain areas once we can extend to the bill, and subsequently we will move forward as far as the development process is concerned.